Hi, good morning. Look at the words church, maturity, attach, gentle, margin, enjoy. You get a doubt why I have written only these words. And I underline. See here, in church I have underlined CH, CH. And in maturity, T. And here in attach, CH. And in gentle, GE. Margin, G. Enjoy, JOY. If you observe and if you repeat the words here, church, marchuri, attach, here I produce the sound ch sound. Here I am writing the symbol ch. See here, ch. It's T and also sh, ch. We combine ch sound we get, ch. And here gentle, margin, enjoy. If you combine the consonant sound d and sh sound, j. Okay. See here, we call them as the affricates. Why? Because when we produce these words, we hear both obstruction and frictional release. Church, gentle, January, geology, imagine, attach, cheer, bridge, much, chance. Okay, you listen the words. Here, when I pronounce, you can hear the obstruction and also frictional release. That's why I call these both sounds as affricates. So these are the consonant sounds, and in that we learned today affricates. Now here I give a list of words. See here, chart. Yeah, what you underline here in the chart, CH, chart. And jump, ja. You get confused when you pronounce the word judge. May you think that G is, yeah, it's correct. It's a G. We have to produce the sound judge. Okay, you got it. So listen to the words carefully and try to understand them and try to repeat. Okay. Thank you for listening. The affricates.